This video will demonstrate the installation of the Quantum RFID messenger lock with auto deadbolt and door ajar feature. First, take your mortise, insert it into the mortise pocket, and pass the mortise wire to the inside of the door. Now secure the mortise to the door using the 2 screws provided. Now take the reader assembly and pass the power wire and the ribbon cable through the door and install the reader as shown. Now take the inside assembly and remove the battery pack. Then pass the reader cables through the top hole of the lock. And pass the mortise cables through the lower channel. Now attach the back assembly to the door, making sure not to pinch the wires that are going through it. Now secure the reader assembly using the 2 screws provided. Now install the front lever on the front side of the door. And secure it using the 2 screws provided. Now ensure all lock components are lined up properly on the door and tighten the screws. Now plug in your mortise wire and your door ajar wire to the PCB assembly, making sure to pass your cables back through the channel so that the cables do not get pinched during installation. Next, plug in your reader ribbon cable and then plug in your reader power cable. Next, install your battery pack and plug it into the PCB assembly. Next, plug in your messenger antenna, making sure that the wire is run properly so it does not get pinched. Next, install the privacy spindle, making sure that you set it to the auto deadbolt setting. Next, install the back escutcheon on the door, making sure that the privacy thumb turn is pointed in the up direction. Now fully test the functionality of the lock with and without the privacy turned on. Now secure the back escutcheon using the 2 screws provided. And finally, install the mortise scalp and secure using the 2 screws provided. You have now completed the installation of the quantum lock.